Are you looking for the best gaming PC case desktop? In this video we will look at some of the best gaming PC case desktop on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. PADO MATX Gaming PC Case Desktop. Model YEL Color Black, White Type MATX Chassis Compatible Motherboard MATX/ITX Chassis Size 346x275 338mm CPU Height Limit 155mm Graphics Card Length Limit 320mm Hard Disk Space HDD1, SSD1 Panel Interface Power/Reset/USB 3.0x1/USB 2.0x1/HD Audio. Number 2. Aigo 275p PC Case C-View Room Gaming Computer Desktop. Expansion slots 5 slots VGA card 325mm length CPU cooler 155mm height radiator support side 240mm bottom 240mm cooling system rear 120mm one top 122 side 120mm 2 bottom 120mm 2 I/O ports USB 3.0x1/USB 2.0x2/HD audio power/reset power supply 160mm left panel tempered glass and important as shown in the figure. A total of 6 options are available for purchase. They are black single chassis, white single chassis, black chassis with 4 fans, white chassis with 4 fans, black chassis with power supply, white chassis with power supply. Please carefully choose. Number 3. METALFISH T40 Mini ITX Case 7 liters Gaming Computer. Cheap goods PC build vertical bar material quality crafted from 1.0-1.5mm steel and 3mm acrylic, ensuring durability and a sleek aesthetic. Optimal airflow features a best airflow PC case 2021 design, allowing for efficient cooling with a 70mm radiator. Compact form factor. The Mini ITX Case 7 liters is a compact transfer PC that fits in tight spaces, ideal for small builds. Versatile components. Supports a Mini ITX motherboard, SFX, SFX LPSU, and 2.5 HDDs, catering to diverse gaming rigs. Convenient ports equipped with one USB 3.0, one USB 2.0, audio, microphone port, and a handle for easy transport. Number 4. Desktop Gaming Computer PC. The adjustable design using PC tower design is suitable for 41.7 inches to 49.6 inches, 106-126 centimeters, with a circumference range of 14.5 inches to 17 inches and a width range of 6.5 inches to 8 inches. Please check the size of the computer tower before purchasing. Good protection. The bottom pad can reduce friction between the PC chassis and the ground, prevent dust and debris from entering, and extend the service life. Number 5. Powertrain P40 Mesh MATX Desktop. Product name P40 Chassis. Color black white. Product size 378x195 290mm Material thickness SPCC Baked Paint 0.7mm thick. Power supply length ATX power supply 150x140 86mm SFX power supply 125x164mm CPU heatsink height limit 168mm Graphics card length limit 350mm Front panel without fan lock 335mm After locking the fan on the front panel. Applicable motherboards MATX/ITX panel interface USB 3.0, audio,